Okay, so today we're going to be learning how to play subtraction topic through the number 5. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to follow along with me on the computer as I play along. We're not going to worry about the little scores that they keep up here at the top. We're going to be learning how to do this game with cards in a moment. So what we do is first we deal out the cards by placing 2 cards with each person. So then I'm going to take the difference. So 5 minus 2 is what it's asking. You always want to put the bigger number first when we're doing subtraction. So I would play 5 minus 2. One way I could do this is by looking at my fingers, holding up all 5 first and taking away 2 of them. Now I count to see how many are left. 1, 2, 3. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. And I got it correct. Then the computer is going to play their side. 5 minus 3, holding up 5, taking down 3, that leaves 2. And then we get to decide who takes the cards. The person that has the larger answer gets to take the 4 cards for themselves, like we do in topic. So 3 or 2, which one is bigger? The number 3, right? So if I was number 3, which I was because this is the hand I played, I would take 1, 2, 3, 4 cards over on my side and make a pile. Then we would try again. To play the next round, again, we're going to deal out 2 cards to each person, making sure that the bigger number comes first. So each person now has 2 cards again. You see how when they put those cards out, the 4 was first originally, but in subtraction, we know that 5 is bigger than 4, so 5 has to come first. Let's focus here on the first hand. This is my hand. I have 3 minus 1. So I'm going to hold up 3 fingers, and I'm going to take away 1 of them. Count to see how many are left. I have 1, 2 left, so my answer is 2. And then they're going to do subtraction on this side. 5 minus 4, holding up 5 fingers, putting 4 down. That leaves you with the number 1. Now we have to decide who gets the 4 cards. Which is bigger, the number 2 or the number 1? The number 2 is bigger. So again, I played this hand, so I would take all 4 cards and put them over in my pile. So you would do the same thing with the cards in front of you. You can either make your own set of cards or you can use the cards that I've attached to this lesson. And basically you're going to keep playing until you run out of cards. Then if you wanted to, you could see who had the most cards in their pile. That person would win, or you can just play for fun. The most important thing to remember is when you deal out your cards, you need to make sure that the bigger number is first. If they're the same, it doesn't matter which way they go. But if one number is bigger and one number is smaller, you need to make sure that the first number you take out, or the first number you put on the table, needs to be the lower number so that you can subtract. You always start with the biggest number and then count down from there. All right, I hope you enjoy playing this game with your family.